welcome to our AI learning channel. Okay, so in the previous video, I already completed a step one where we are checking the file is present or not in the respective location. Now we are going to call the Panda library and we will read the particular file. Okay, so let me start from here. Okay, so in this system, what we are going to do, read the CSV file. Okay, so what I will do, df equal to edit dot read CSV and file CSV file. Okay. So what it will do? It will read the file. Okay. Now whatever present inside that one, we are going to convert this one as a string. So let me tap next step, a step, a step three. So what we are going to do? We are convert to the text. See and convert. So inside that, maybe there will be just integer also and a special character as well in there. Okay. So we are going to treat as a string and we are going to read that only. Okay. We are going to capture that only. Okay. So what we have to do now, txt text, sorry, txt text data equal to uh, df dot to string. We are using the default function to string. Okay, so it will treat all as a string function. Okay, now I'm going to uh, display as a like that. Yeah, now it's converted as a string. Now let me print as a length of that string. Okay, print function. Uh, so total actually text length equal to, again I'm using the length function and now I'm calling it a text data. Okay, characters. Yeah, characters. Okay, so till here, what we did, we first check the file is present or not there. Then we have read that file and converted in the DF data frame. Okay, CSV file, and after that, what is present, whatever present there, we have converted in the string. Okay. Now, next step, we are now going to create the chunk. Okay, so next step for chunk. Okay, so as an initial, we are keeping as a empty as a link list chunk equal to, okay. Okay. Now, so as I mentioned, so there is two values, chunk size, chunk overlap. Okay. So what we have to see, we have to whatever the length is there, we have to check on that length and the every chunk size, whatever chunk is there, we have to get one chunk. Okay. If chunk overlap is there, then it will copy that value and it will use on that one. Still, the size will be we have to subtract this one, then it will create as a size. Okay. So now I'm going to create the steps, the step size. Step equal to chunk size. Chunk size minus overlap, chunk overlap, chunk overlap. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to create one for loop. So what we are going to do in that for loop, in this for loop, we are okay. Let me write down from loop through the text data in steps and from starting as a zero. Okay. STRT as starting from POSFT position. So initially we are starting as a zero. Okay, then it will go next to next the size till the maximum length whatever there is, it will check and convert it. Okay, or I will give a line for I in range range 0 to length of text size text data. Okay, and the every time it will check the particular steps. Okay, okay, so okay, okay. Now we have to create the chunk. Okay, in the chunk, extracting the chunk from the data. Okay, so what will be the data, text. Okay, sorry, text data. From where to where? It will start from I. Okay, whatever the value is there. Okay, every time in step that it will change the step size and again it will add that one. I. So I to I plus chunk size. What else chunk size is there? It will extract the data and get the chunk. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now we have to add means whatever the chunk we are there. Okay, so if it's a non-strip, then we have to add it. So if chunk chunk dot strip strip, okay, then we have to add append the list. Okay, chunk. Okay, okay, okay. Now this is the final list. Okay, so I'm using the same both. Okay, it will create the confusion. Okay, let me change this one. Chunks equal to chunks dot append and what we are appending the chunk we are appending it. Okay, okay, so now our for loop is completed, so we can print this one. Okay, so we are going to print uh created array length chunks, so it will give you the length of the chunks. Okay, chunks. Okay, so this is step completed. Now we have to create the now, basically, this is the function where which we are using as a creating the chunks. Okay. Now we have to create the output file. Okay. So next steps four is the store file. What we are going to do here, creating creating output data frame. Okay. Okay. Logic is like that in this output data frame. In this CSV file, there will be what we are going to do. We are using the column wise data. Means like in the first column, we will keep as a file name. Means right now we are using only one file. That's okay. But in the real time production, we are using the multiple file. Okay. Such a metadata means data is coming from where. When we are calling that file and queries, there is sometime for the traceability, we have to check that the metadata. So first column we will keep as a file name. Okay. Second data, we will keep the length of the chunk. Okay, what is the length of that particular chunk? Okay. In third data, the value means like the chunks which we have created here, we will keep that one. Okay. So we are going to create that one. Okay. So let me create the same out output output data equal to first I will use as a file name. Okay. Header will be file name.